I want your life, makes my mind, I need it pronto. Eyes like a dime, gold mine, I'm singing gospel. In the unknown, still trust you with my soul. I want you. So what's up?
Bonjour, je m'appelle Chef Gustaniel. Baguette, baguette, croissant. Alright, that's all the French I know. You got me? Alright. As a chef, for the past 2 months, I've been honing my skills, alright? I've moved over away from breakfast and I have I have learned more techniques. So today, I'm gonna make something very special. I will reveal it later. But first, let me show you the ingredients. Peep the ingredients. First, you're gonna need to have 5 or 6 potatoes. Quite frankly, I only have 7, but the thing is, these are really small. They're supposed to be like medium size, and they're supposed to be gold potatoes, but from the Yukon, or Yukon gold potatoes. But quite frankly, I have beef with the Yukon, so forget that. You wanna need yellow onion. Peep that. It's kind of yellow, or a little bit orange. You're gonna need some mushrooms. You're supposed to have actually like 2 large trumpet mushrooms, but my grade 7 and 8 teacher forced me to play trumpet, so forget that. 2 cloves of garlic, some butter. There's like hardly any butter in here. Some salt, some slices of bacon. It's supposed to be thick cut. Thick. But save your money because my goodness, this one you get more for your buck. So I got the not so thick cut. Save the thick for later. Some rosemary. It's supposed to be springs, but we just got these little pieces, so whatever. Some red wine. We're supposed to have 150 milliliters. I got just under 100, so. Then we're gonna need some soy sauce, and that's it. You're supposed to have sake. I'm really
unprepared.
Unprepared, yeah. Alright, let's start. Alright, first step, guys, is to prepare the potatoes. Okay, safety first. Okay, we're basically going to cut these potatoes into quarters, alright? I bet you guys can't cut a potato into quarters in one slice. Ready? Watch these. Ready? See that? One slice. I'm gonna do it again. You thought it was a flute the first time, right? Watch these. Ready? Ready? I'm a chef. Look! Alright, now we just gotta do it for each one of them. Ready? Look, I'm gonna put them all together. This time, I'm gonna cut all of them in one slice. Ready? Bam! See, professional. This is what a chef can do. No chef can do this. Look at that. Nicely cut in quarters. Alright, folks. So, we got the potatoes inside the steamer. So what you want to do is get the medium-low heat. Gotta wait for that to simmer. And you wait about 20 or so minutes. Boom. Now, we gotta mince the other vegetables. Let's do it. So now we gotta mince our vegetables. Like I said, you need your onions, your garlic, and my mushrooms over there. But first, the onions. Ready? Watch this, guys. Mince without even looking. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yo, it's minced! How do they do that? Bro, I'm a chef. What? Look at that. Look at that. Minced. 3 more mushrooms. Ready? Bro, like at this point, why do I even try anymore? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Sheesh! Look at that. Look at that, guys. It looked kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna ignore the
what is
chocolate on my cutting board that my mushrooms left. Anyways, this time, you know what? Bro, no one ever talks about the reversed hand cut, alright? This is unconventional. Please do not do these. Only professional chefs that have 6 Michelin stars like me can do it. Ready? Sheesh! Look, even the chocolate got mixed in there. It's been about 30 minutes. Let's for the potatoes. Let me check if the potatoes are good. So the idea is that the knife should go in and out without any like leftover coming on. Yeah, anyways. I mean, it's not a lot. I think it's okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. Alright guys, now we're just gonna skin the potatoes. Ready? So what I'm gonna do, guys, is just swipe and then it's gonna be skinned. Ready? Wow, guys, look! It's all skinless. Look, the knife didn't even touch the potatoes. Yoink, yoink. Alright, now we're gonna mash this with fork. Ready, guys? Call this Detroit smash. I'm joking, that's already taken. Toronto smash! Nicely, you wanna be a little bit chunky, but yeah, it's mashed. Next, we're gonna get the pan. Alright, now we're gonna put about 4 tablespoons of butter. 2, 3. We're just going to let that melt. Alright, now that the butter is melted, we're going to throw in our mixture of onions and mushrooms. And we're just gonna stir fry this. Alright guys, so now you can see that there's a little bit of color in the onions. We're gonna throw in my garlic. Alright, so it's becoming quite a little bit brown. So when it reaches around that texture, you just want to take it out. Ready? Alright, so we're just gonna put this inside with the potatoes. Alright, gloves. Now that it's COVID, we got a lot of these, so mixing time. Oh, it's hot! Keep doing this for just a bit. You're gonna notice that it's going to start like clumping up. Like you can see that, right? It's clumping up, like making a shape. Alright, so now we're gonna take our egg thingy, our potato egg thingy, and we're just going to lay it on the saran wrap here. Like that. And we're just gonna wrap the baby. We're making an egg, guys. Then, once you got your like egg looking thingy, put that in the fridge. So now, we're gonna lay some bacon. Alright, so we're just placing the bacon on the saran wrap here, and we're making it just so it can fit our little baby potato thingy. Yeah, so you want to go like length this way, and then we also gotta go the next way. And yeah, I'll show you the final product. Alright, so you see the bacon vibes. Now we're gonna take out the egg potato. See it's staying in proper position. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap the potato bowl.
Wow, well?
Yeah, we just gotta wrap the potato bowl. Wrap the potato bowl.
5 minutes later.
Guys, I got the baby. We're gonna put this on the wire rack. Unravel. That's a song. Huh?
Oh.
We have preheated the oven to 400 degrees. So in the meantime, we're gonna stick some thyme and keep the bacon together at the same time. That's multitasking. Not while I'm filming.
Did you listen to it, guys?
Oh my goodness, guys. She's listening to some Korean, guys, because she loves Korean.
Cooking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin.
You know what I love? I love everybody equally. It doesn't matter what color. I'm gonna show you example, guys, of what we're gonna do, guys. Ready?
Yeah. That's supposed to go in there?
I'm gonna just. Oh!
Where am I supposed to stop, bro?
I don't know. I don't. Do you think I know, bro? I really don't know where I'm doing.
Oh, I see. How do you not know? How do you not know?
Guys, some things in cooking and in life is just improvisation. Because sometimes the best things in life are not planned. Come on, I give life lessons for free. What we're gonna do is we're gonna stick the thyme inside the same hole, in the same hole as the toothpicks. Not the thyme, the rosemary. Guys, I'm a failure as a chef. Guys, I forgot to put salt with the potatoes. Because sometimes the best things in life are not planned. Never make that mistake. I forgot to put salt with the tomatoes, guys. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but I'm hoping that the salt from the bacon. So here it is, guys. Yeah, here it is, guys. So I'm hoping so the bacon will infuse a little bit with the stuff. Alright, now we're gonna put it inside the oven for about 30 minutes or until the outside is brown. We're gonna wait for 30 minutes. You thought it was over? We're gonna use the pan again. Time to make the sauce. Call it sauce. So we're gonna put in the red wine into like a medium heat-ish. And we're supposed to have 150 milliliters, but we only have 100. or just even under that. So I'm just gonna eyeball this. I don't really know, and we don't even have the sake either. So,
That's not.
my red wine is gone.
Bruh.
I still got a little bit left, guys. So we had a little bit mishap. We cooled down the pan a bit, and I think it's ready for this thing, but I'm not sure. Hey, okay. Some soy sauce, 10 milliliters soy sauce. I don't know how much that is. And we're gonna mix that. Throw in some butter. We're gonna mix this until it becomes emulsified. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the best I can do. I don't know what emulsification is. I don't even know how to spell it, to be honest with you. But I've got it. It smells good. Looks like the goal. It's time to taste test that. Definitely too much soy sauce. But the good thing is, it will counteract the fact that I put not enough salt. So it's done, and let's check it out. Tell that you're supposed to use thick cut bacon.
I want your life, mix my mind, I need it pronto. Eyes like a dime, gold mine, I'm singing gospel. In the unknown, still trust you with my soul. I want you, yeah. So what's up? Baby, I wanna know how you got me in your clutch. I feel the vibe when you ride by my side with your touch. Got butterflies in my eyes, I'm still floating above. You're like the springtime, blossoms float around you in my dreams.
Alright guys, so we're gonna finally just take up a nice little cold piece. It broke up. I'm sorry guys. But thank you Chef Gustaniel for making this. I'm not Chef Gustaniel. I'm just regular Tanya. Alright, and then we're gonna try it. I'm gonna try it, Ma. Okay, yeah, the sauce is very salty, but very explosive in flavor, I'm not gonna lie. If it wasn't salty, the mashed potatoes is really nice and soft, and it actually has a lot of flavor, even comparable to the bacon. I think they complement each other, not one is greater than the other. That's good.
How is it? Good?
Who wants to try next? Mom is gonna try my pork roast that fell apart. I think you need to use the right proper potato and the right thick cut bacon. Describe the flavors, Ma.
Very good. The potato is really flavorful, even though you didn't put salt. Of course, the bacon is bacon, but with mushroom, I think the potato with mushroom tasted better.
Yeah. All right, Dad, you go. How is it?
I don't know, it's good.
It's good. Surprisingly good.
Potatoes.
They
Very
actually have flavor.
seasoned.
Yeah. How is it?
Yeah.
No, wait, out of 10 first.
8.
8. Alex, out of 10.
9.
9. Alright, Lolo's gonna try
You're biased.
just the mashed potato.
Pulo
because
ka
he
sa
can't-
camera, ha?
He cannot eat the bacon.
Anong sabon nyo?
It's good.
Very good.
Number 8.
Number 8. I'll take it. Oh, I don't take it. I mean, Gustaniel. You did good job. You did good job, Gustaniel. Good job. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Gustaniel, for cooking my meal after 2 months of not eating. Say goodbye, Gustaniel. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment. Something nice because I need it. And also, I never say this, but put the notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time.
Scared to be alone in this world, I know. Yo, prize on the line, please let it go and let me show you. When I say I want your love, want the rush, I need it pronto. I wanna feel how you feel, baby, I'm so lost in your eyes.